So the gunk sucker has been doing its job pretty well. But one thing I did notice, however, is that getting down in here, oh, come on. Oh my gosh, light, you're killing me. Come on. Anyway, is if you can, come on, focus, there we go. There is some pretty excessive buildup and sludge. Me being a perfectionist, unfortunately, I do want to get all of that out of there. So what I'm going to attempt is taking my brush and very carefully kind of break this up a little bit. And very carefully. And like I had said, I'm replacing the lifters, so I'm not going to reuse these. I'm leaving them in that way nothing falls down on the cam, wipes out the lobes later on. Also, this is getting a new melling oil pump. We'll have a video on how to prime that properly before the initial fire up to ensure you do have oil pressure. You definitely don't want to be doing this again anytime soon. So there are some pretty nasty ones in there, but I am pretty impressed. It's working.